Okay, okay, okay. I found my mic. Found it. You good now? You good? Oh, and my thing in the background is just my air. So if it's like staticky or something, it's just my air. Hold on, I gotta change something. Okay.
I'm back.
Sup, Mom?
Blackout.
Need aid.
Hello. You got a mic?
Classify the mission area.
Okay, no mic. We got a team coming here. No, I have not found a gun yet. Okay. Somebody's in there.
Sit rep. Potential collapse detected. Relocation to indicated safe zone is advised. There are supplies here.
Basketball.
Supply drop inbound.
Do what? Nose, bitches.
It's just you and me. Fight for the win. Sit rep. Circle collapse imminent. Get to safety.
I'm not that far away from it. And then, hold on. Okay, still got 30 minutes to stream. Okay, I'm gonna go push the people that are up here. And then after this, I'm gonna play some multiplayer. We'll play some bolt action. Bolt action deathmatch mosh pit. Sounds like super cool beer. I need to start using these. I'm gonna pick up a whole bunch of them and just use them because I don't know. Gosh dang it! I didn't close this. Close. Okay, use dead silence. What the frick? How did he know I was there? It was a team anyway, so it really didn't matter. I want to see how he saw me. How did he know I was in there? That's what I want to know, is how did he know? Oh well, we'll just go play some bolt action. It's not like... I mean, I'm not the best at sniping, but I'm pretty good. I want to show you this game that I did the other day, and it was really, really awesome. Alright, theater mode. Oh my god. You wanna play that right there? That's what I'm gonna play. Bolt action bare bones mosh pit. Which one was it? Which one I got the two collaterals at? I'm trying to look for it. Oh, I think it's... No. I believe it's this one. Hold up. Multiplayer. And then... I think it's this one. To see. it. Oh, see, there's me. I don't think this is it.
Enemy has Charlie.
Yeah, you'll see how bad I am at this. See, I just died right there.
B locked down.
See what he punches.
They're dominating us.
That's the
Go
guy
on the
that freaking
offensive.
punches.
Kill.
First kill, yay. Alright, I'm done with this. I can't do this. Let's do this. Boom boom dun 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 dun. If y'all are watching, say what's up in the chat. Cause where's Commander Root? Oh, you're watching me. Nice. We're always here, Commander Root. I made Commander Operator because he's always here in the stream. So is Lurks, but I mean, he's not always here. I show you how bad I am at this game. And what I don't get is how I shot him, like, in the thing. I'm still mad about that. I shot him. I literally shot him, and he didn't die. Please Hacienda or something good. Oh, that's my emblem, and then that's my thing. Oh gosh, jungle. Dang it.
Loading exploit scripts.
She's still loading exploits.
Bare bones domination. Capture the objectives. Securing Charlie. Enemy has A. Charlie locked down.
Come on, get up the ladder.
Losing C.
I'm not even going to capture, I'm just going for kills.
Taking B. Taking Alpha. Alpha secure. We're pulled ahead. Losing C. Enemy took C.
Dang it, you took my kill.
Losing Alpha. Bravo secure.
I contributed 100%.
Enemy took Alpha. Losing
Whoa, buddy, why am I getting double teamed? Hit her.
B. Enemy has
Why
B.
are you punching?
Losing Charlie.
You know, if this guy was actually a good guy and didn't miss his shots, he probably would have killed me right then and there.
She's finished. Losing C.
Oh, he has the locust. Okay, never mind.
Enemy UAV above. We're being dominated. Take those positions.
See, with the
Losing
locust,
fight.
I'm pretty good, but
Securing B.
in BO4, locust sniping was my main thing.
Hostile care package inbound.
Or BO3, I mean, BO3. Duh.
Securing A.
Leave me alone.
Losing Bravo. They're dominating us. Go on the offensive. Hostile CUAV detected. Taking Alpha.
Well, I literally could have shot him way before that, but I chose not to. Because I'm stupid. This isn't a freaking paladin. I suck at this.
Securing B.
Sniper firing.
See, I suck at this. I can't do this. I'm literally about to go to... Why are you punching?
Taking Bravo. Be secure.
Wow.
Losing B. Securing Charlie.
Reaper deleted.
Losing Bravo.
He's using thermal scope.
Enemy took B. She's coming. It's not over.
And he's
Regroup
hard
and take the
scoping.
next round. Securing B. Bravo locked down.
Sharpshooter.
Why? Why are you using that? It's not even a sniper. It's like the XDM.
Losing B.
Hawk removed. Kill.
Losing Bravo.
Sniper firing.
Enemy has B.
Okay, how did that not shoot him? How did that not kill?
Mission compromised. Try again.
Can confirm zero. Smoke check.
Captured the objectives. Sit rep. Hostile care package above. Taking Alpha. Enemy has C. A locked down. Taking Bravo. Enemy RCXD in your AO. Bravo secure.
See what I tell you? I'm not even the best at this.
Hostile UAV circling.
Okay, you actually suck.
That call. Hostile sentry working. Enemy took Bravo.
Marksman.
Stupid sentry. Unless we snipe the freaking thing. Hit it once. Just
Hostile UAV circling.
snipe the sentry. See, that's how much of a trash I am. I can't even hit a sentry. You're going for gold?
She's dead.
No scope!
Taking B.
Deactivate the creeper. Dead.
Come on, I'm hitting. No! Dang it, I was like 3.
B locked down.
I've literally only been sniping for like a week and I already just hit a triple. And it's the guy with the freaking iron sense that killed me.
Losing Bravo.
Okay, well then, you suck. Oh, dang, it's my freaking
Enemy has
foot
B.
hurts so bad. That's what you suck. That stupid Zeth guy sucks.
Securing B.
Alright, I'll try to I'll protect you, or I'll try to find you. Alright, I'll come and punch. Nice.
Securing Bravo.
Hmm?
Hostile UAV circling.
Zero calling in care package.
Okay, nope, leave me alone.
Securing B.
Did you get the bloodthirsty?
Taking B.
I need to get a lot more one shot, one kills. And then I need to get 5 bloodthirsties.
Bravo locked down.
We have an attack chopper. Oh, okay, we do. Okay, good. We need to turn this around.
Hostile destroyed.
No second chances. This is all or nothing.
Yeah.
All locations locked down. Dig
Or
in
just
and
have
hold
2.
UAV launch. Authorization nomad. Losing Charlie.
Why are you punching? Just go to C. Everybody go to C. Everybody go to C. Yeah, I'm going to C with them.
Losing B.
They're at B.
Enemy took Bravo.
Yeah, we can still get this. Go to get
Securing B. Losing Alpha.
Yes. No, we're losing Charlie. We're losing Charlie. All right, use it. I'm going to C.
Losing B.
We're losing B now.
We have the advantage.
No.
Enemy took B.
They have two.
We lost the advantage.
God dang it, man. We would have won this if.
Securing B.
Yes, secure it. No. Yeah.
RTB for AAR and reassignment.
I was the game, what was you thinking? I don't know that I don't know, I was just thinking, chasing the demons. Okay, I gotta put this on this, the threat detector's face. I'm gonna make another class. I'm with the games in the wall, what was you thinking? Dang it, I could've put Bengal on it. I only need a couple more of these two. And I can go for gold.
Watch and learn.
I was just gonna see how this goes. Is the Iron Sights guy with us? Wall.
Bare bones domination. Secure the objective.
I hit something.
Taking Alpha. Taking Bravo. Enemy has C.
They'll never expect me to
Alpha
be
secure.
sitting here.
B locked down.
Watch out.
We're pulled ahead.
Watch out, sniper.
Okay, I gotta change classes. Yeet. I'm with the gang, with the mob, what was you thinking?
Taking Charlie. All locations locked down. Digging and Oldham. Losing Charlie. Lost C.
Wish they had this search and destroy with this. I think I could have had a triple collat right there. If I was actually, you know, wanting to snipe, but
Taking Charlie.
I don't know anymore. I just got a collat.
Losing Bravo. All locations secured. Hold your positions. Losing Alpha. We lost Bravo. Securing B. We lost A. B locked down.
Oh, jeez. They're just sitting in the back of C with a freaking outlaw. Or A, I mean. With the freaking outlaw. And I have my perch tower. Only doing this because I need one shot, one kills.
Surf calling in UAV.
Oh, Of course you'd be sitting in the back with the freaking outlaw suppressed. Why wouldn't you be?
Throwing dart.
Why are you just sitting there? What is the point of just sitting there?
Securing A.
I'm with the gang, with the mob, what was you thinking? This is a day, moving the heart, ha, that's what you get, stupid. Hey, you camping.
Securing A.
I'm with the gang,
All
with the
locations
mob.
secured. Hold your positions. Close out the win, then do it again.
Ah, it's on next place. You act like you're gonna zoom in and then it makes the crosshair smaller so then you can snow scoop.
Losing A.
Just
Half
like
time. Pleasure watching you work, crew.
what?
Capture the objective. Securing C. C secure. We've taken the
We're
lead.
going for B.
Enemy has A. Securing B.
Oh my god.
Hostile infantry wounded.
He thinks he's so cool because he has the Locust, Dark Matter, or Gold, but he doesn't have anything in Dark Matter, I bet.
Securing A.
What's going on with my game? Me? I don't actually snipe, I'm just doing this because,
Establish UAV.
I'm trying to get into stores, so. And so far, I have hit a triple feed, 2 collats, and, something else. I mean, I would have hit a quad, but my teammate took my last kill. Like, I had him aimed out and everything. And I was about to zoom in, and then my teammate took my freaking kill. Oh, you can't hit me. You can't hit me. You can't hit me. Paladin. I always use the Paladin. Oh, dang it. Okay, I only need one more level to get the Koshka, and once I get the Koshka, that's gonna be my main sniper. Until I get the SOG, then I'm just gonna grind out the SOG.
Tango down.
Yeah. I'm going for gold, but I can never get any bloodthirsties. So, the only way I'm gonna do that is by camping in the back. I mean, with like SMGs, it's easy. ARs, it's sort of easy, but snipers, it's not easy at all. Well, I don't have anything diamond. Or gold. I think the closest thing right now that I have to gold is the paladin. And I'm not trusting what's up there because there's 2 people up there, and if I hit a collat, then I'm gonna be happy. But I'm not, because he's just camping. And I'm just camping at sea. No, I still need to get Red Tiger, but I'm trying to practice for getting the Bloodthirsties. Because I'm trying to play this as much as I can to level the paladin up, so I can put NVIR on it.
Enemy UAV above.
And the best way to do that is by doing this.
Hostiles have established multiple UAVs.
Hostile marksman working.
Love of Jesus and Almighty God. Okay, I'm about to go in the back and just... Okay, you can't make this up. I got a hit marker and I hit him in the head. With the freaking paladin, with FMJ1 and high caliber 1.
Hostile UAV circling. Losing Bravo.
Oh my god. So I'm better off just using a regular class, like a made
Mission
class.
goals are in sight. Bring this home.
I'm with the gang, with the mob, what was you thinking? Okay, I got the thing. I think it's because I have, what's it called?
Deleted ritual.
Dang it!
Losing B.
If that stupid guy wasn't camping in the back, I would have had a triple feed.
To the victor, the spoils.
I went 5 and 19, but it's only because I hate sniping, and I suck at sniping. Oh, he's just... Ooh. Yeah, he just got a bloodthirsty. Yep. I'm with the gang, he was the mob, what was he thinking? I'm chasing some demons. This and BO4 is the only thing. And the only gun I want, or the only 2 guns that, no, 3. Only 3 guns that I want out of the thing. Okay. The only 3 guns that I want is the Peacekeeper, the Imaginator, Mastercraft, and then the, what's it called? Locust. That sucks. I wanted that. Fine. Bloodthirsties, and then purple hex, 5 attachments and optic, and then 2 weapon fairy kills. And then long shots, and then no attachments, so really easy. Psych. And then I should have this one close to nothing. What the ICR? Nope, never mind. Demon? Nope, never mind. Oh, I want Panther. It goes so well with my freaking thing. We don't need to know! Shut up.